Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your ChargePoint account to vehicle RFID cards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your ChargePoint account to your vehicle RFID cards, start by logging into your ChargePoint account on the mobile app or website. Navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option labeled RFID cards or manage RFID cards. Click on this option to access the RFID card management page. Here, you will see the option to add a new RFID card. Select that Add a Card button to begin the process. You will need to enter the card number found on your RFID card. Ensure that you input the number accurately without any spaces or dashes. After entering the card number, click on the Save or Add button to proceed. The system will then verify the card number with your account. If the verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, you may need to associate this RFID card with a specific vehicle. Select the vehicle you wish to link this RFID card to from your account. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the association. Once completed, your vehicle RFID card will be connected to your ChargePoint account. You can now use this RFID card to access ChargePoint stations. If you encounter any issues during this process, consult the help or support section on the ChargePoint website. Make sure to check that your RFID card is functioning properly if any errors arise. Once everything is set up, you can enjoy seamless charging with your connected RFID cards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.